This blog will discuss and evaluate whether human augmentation and digital technologies having a positive or negative development for humanity. When looking at how digital technology is affecting society today, it is vital to understand the scale in which it is altering humans' lives. This picture looks at the four stages from transhuman to posthuman. At the start of the scale is transhumanization. This is the early stage of development, and this refers to modification of the human body by science or technology, which means humans are evolving beyond their current limited form. Often these are physical changes that come under a medical need. As you get closer to posthumanization, this is where individuals are using technology to fulfill a person's desire to stay strong and healthy. This can be referred as replacing biology and the human condition by technology or science. This means it is a voluntary action and individuals have to make an informed decision on why they want to make these changes and how it will affect their quality of life. When looking at if it is having a positive or negative effect on individuals, often people fall into two types of opinions of digital technology and humanity: natives and immigrants. Natives will often take the side of it having a positive effect on society as it supports so many people and gives them a quality of life. It refers to education as a positive adaptation in nature as they allow individuals to carry on their lives healthily and allow them to reach their full potential. However, digital immigrants do not see it as a benefit as many first thought. Often these people understand that there was a good quality of life before technology, so they make the point that the relationship between technology and humans is dangerous and threatening to society. However, it is argued that in the 21st century it will never be the same again and technology is going to get rapidly out of control. Therefore, immigrants need to adapt to these changes to fit into society. Personally, I believe that technology is having a positive effect on humanity because it's supporting many individuals in a positive way and giving them a better quality of life, but we do need to take more control of how much power digital technology actually has on our lives, otherwise we may regret it in the near future.